Okay, my name is Stephanie Dillio, and I am in CST 1001. My project is about web design and how web design helps out the world. For people who are sit-ins or shut-ins, they can use the web to get to other people. I read 3 articles all about web design and how to create web design and how it makes things better and life better for other people. One was by Rennie Gleason, and he talked about the 404 error, which is a link not found error. And he was bored about just getting a 404 error code and it not doing anything. So he had a project set up to say, hey, if this 404 is here, well, what can you show, or how do you really feel about a 404 error code, link code? So a lot of people showed stuff in and thought what they felt about the 404 character really is, instead of just a plain 404 link. It was very interesting and quite descriptive. A lot of pictures on there, and way people dealt with the 404 error code. 404 error code. The other one I read by Z Frank, and his web title is My Web Playground. Through the video, he used the audio part of the web and the internet web, and he would send out questionnaires to get people to write a little bit of ditty songs and stuff like that. And one gentleman had his daughter called, and she was not having a very good day. And he sent her a little email, about how bad her day was, and it was monotone. And then it got picked up through the web service because it got posted on YouTube, and then it got viral and spread around. And he took it in turn to make an album out of it. And he found the gentleman who originally recorded it, and they recorded it, and was sent out and so forth. It also mentioned how just picking a web that has some nice upbeat audio in it will make people happy. It will change their mind from being upset and mad about work and the way life is going on, and it'll just kind of uplift your mood and uplift their spirits and things like that. Uplift their spirits. And also try to keep people involved in your life so that you don't be shut in, because the web is an area for you to try to reach out to. The last article I read was by John Mendia. It's called My Journey in Design. What he showed was how different fonts and different font styles can change a meaning of a written word. Like if you have the word fear and it's very small capitalized, then that fear really doesn't mean anything. But if it's a big fear, then it matters something, and really jolt you and should show you fear. And just by changing the font, he changed it to a different way where it looked like fear was a nightclub. And it's just amazing how just little things like that can play on our senses to make us happier, to make our better life, and how we interact with the web and how we interact with fonts. And it shows a lot of demonstrations on how incredibly diverse the web is. Thank you for listening to my video.